we're gonna present to you a gorgeous semi-D house located in TTDI on Persiaran, Zaaba. If you're looking for something that is not as big as a bungalow because of its high maintenance, but something just nice in terms of land area and a comfortable garden space with lots of natural light, I think this could be the home for you. Hi, I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes, and boy, are you in for a surprise today. We're gonna present to you a semi-detached house in TTDI. It is located in one of the quiet parts of TTDI on Persiaran, Zaaba. Don't be fooled by this modest exterior of this house. It is a massive 5,425 square feet of land area. Mind you, the average semi-D house in TTDI is a mere 3,600 square feet. This house comes with 5 rooms and 5 baths. Plenty of dining area, plenty of living area, perfect for those of you who love entertaining. Come, let's go check it out. Whether you're someone that enjoys large social gatherings or perhaps an intimate quiet weekend, everyone in the family can enjoy this kind of space. Look at this lovely terrace that wraps around the side of this house. I can really imagine myself having a cup of coffee while enjoying the morning breeze. This semi-D home is located in Persiaran, Zaaba, which is one of the older developments of TTDI. Right behind the house, which is about a 5-minute walk away, is Zaaba's very own park. That isn't too big, so it's great for an afternoon stroll after a busy day at work, or a perfect place for kids to play right before dinner time. There's also plenty of food options right around the corner. Other than the huge land area, look at how much natural light you can get into your home. Did you know that natural light can help you sleep better, reduce stress and anxiety? On top of that, maximizing natural light in your home is actually the design trend for 2023. On the lower level of the house, there is a guest room with its own bathroom. This room can be changed into a granny's room, which also makes this house perfect for multi-generational living. Although this house only does have one kitchen, you could always extend the back part of the laundry area to put a wet kitchen in. It's also a great area for caterers to set up shop if you might be hosting a party or an open house, as they would have direct access to your kitchen as well as an open back area. On the second level, there are 2 rooms with a common bath, another bedroom with an ensuite, and the master bedroom with an ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. And how could I forget this balcony area? But if you're not one to use the balcony area, you could definitely extend out, put in larger windows to bring in more light into the upper floors. The master bedroom is another favorite. There is this massive walk-in wardrobe that leads you to the master bathroom. I mean, just look at it. All rooms have been fitted with built-in wardrobes so you'll never run out of storage. Even if you do, there is a storeroom upstairs and a utilities room downstairs by the helper's room. This semi-D is on the higher side in terms of price, but let me just give you a quick rundown as to why this place would still be a better investment in comparison to a basic semi-D in TTDI. A basic unit for a semi-D would usually sell for 2.5 million, with a land built up of 3,600 square feet, which would break down to about 694 ringgit per square foot. On the other hand, the house that we're showing you today is going for 4.25 million with a land area of 5,425 square feet, which would be 783 ringgit per square foot. However, for the basic unit, you would have to put down an average of 400 ringgit per square foot for renovation and refurbishment. Whereas for this home, you only have to put down an additional 80 ringgit per square foot for a 2023 facelift. Once you've seen the breakdown, a basic unit would cost about 1,094 ringgit per square foot, while something like this would only be 863 ringgit per square foot. All in all, you'll be saving an estimate of 231 ringgit per square foot and you'll be enjoying a larger land area in comparison to a basic unit. If you're looking for something that is not as big as a bungalow because of its high maintenance, but something just nice in terms of land area and a comfortable garden space with lots of natural light, I think this could be the home for you. I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you can be notified on our next home tour video. I hope to see you soon. Bye!